Kashmiris facing genocide in all respects. Srinagar, January 28, KMS. In occupied Kashmir, Hurriyat organizations have warned that Indian Army can mastermind any false flag operation to create a war-like situation in the subcontinent and to defame Pakistan and the Kashmir movement. Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir People's League, Young Men's League and other Hurriyat organizations in their statements in Srinagar said, India's drama of arresting its own senior police officer Devinder Singh has exposed that its own forces personnel have been involved in violent operations in occupied Kashmir. They cited the massacre of 35 Sikhs in Chittasingpura in 2000, the Samjhota Express blasts in 2007, the attack on Indian Parliament in 2001 and Amritsar attack in 2018 to prove that all these operations were masterminded by the then Indian Army chiefs to malign Pakistan and the Kashmiri Mujahideen. The Hurriyat Forum led by Mirwais Umar Farooq in a statement in Srinagar paid rich tributes to the victims of massacres of Gah Kadal, Handwara and Kupwara carried out by Indian troops in 1990s. It reiterated its demand of an impartial probe into these mass killings to punish the perpetrators. Jammu and Kashmir Islami Tanzim Azadi in a statement issued in Srinagar expressed serious concern over the deteriorating health condition of its chairman, Abdul Samad Inchalabi, who is languishing in Baramulla jail. The party warned that the life of ailing leader is in serious danger if not properly treated. People's Democratic Party President, Mehbooba Mufti, has expressed the hope that the resolutions tabled in the European Parliament against lockdown in Kashmir and the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act would be followed up with sanctions on India. The demand has been raised from her Twitter handle, which is managed by her daughter Altia Mufti. Meanwhile, normal life continues to remain affected in the Kashmir Valley due to the military siege and broadband internet shutdown on 177th consecutive day, today. Restrictions coupled with harsh winter have aggravated the miseries of the besieged Kashmiri people. Speakers at a seminar in London declared that there was genocide in occupied Kashmir in terms of large-scale killings, injuries, maiming, blinding or sexual violence inflicted by the Indian perpetrators upon the Kashmiri people. The event titled Democratic Order for People of Jammu and Kashmir was organized by Organisation of Kashmir Coalition. Among those who addressed the seminar included Professor Nazir Ahmad Shah, Barrister Abdul Majid Trambu and Graham Williamson of Nations Without States. The European Commission Vice President, Josep Borrell, will deliver a statement in the European Union Parliament on lockdown in occupied Kashmir and India's controversial Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 before a vote on a resolution, tomorrow.